Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can adjust the mirrors on your Citroen C3. This is a 2021 model. So we need to move this little knob just here, just by the steering wheel, and we have various different positions on it. If you have a look, you can see we have a right mirror, left mirror, and then if we put it right the way to the bottom, the mirrors will fold in. So if we go to the left hand side, that's going to adjust the left mirror, and then we can go right, left, up and down. So if you have a look there, you can see it moving. And likewise, we can just go over to the right and do the same thing, right, left, up, down. Now, let's say if you were going through a width restriction and you want to fold the mirrors in, we're going to put this down to the 6 o'clock position, like so, and the mirrors will fold in. And then when you're finished, you just need to put it in one of the vertical positions, either in the middle, left or right vertical. So put it there and you can see the mirrors have now folded out again. Now, when you've adjusted them into the position you want, put it back to the middle like this one here, and that way then you won't accidentally move them. So it won't adjust anything when it's in this vertical position, and then you see your knee or your hand won't accidentally move them. Nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.